put a ladder under avocado tree because it's so tall already, and get some more fruit there. We harvested most of the fruit, but get some more left over. And this is our papaya tree. It's so tall that we have to use a stick to get the fruit. We live here in the behind our house is a creek that they clean it once a year. And the stick is heavy up strong. They wanna widen the freeway.